Today we're going to be talking about picture profiles on the A7R2. At the moment I am in Cine 4 and Cinema, and my detail is set at -7. And what this test is going to be, it's going to be about that detail. It's quite an interesting topic of in-camera sharpening, and pretty much the general consensus is turn it off. Now, on the A7R2 it's not an on-off switch as such, but it's a scale from -7 to +7, and the theory behind it is that you just add sharpening in post. That's sometimes doable, but if you're just filming your family at a restaurant, do you really want to be doing things in post? Well, that's what we're here to find out, just how badly is the in-camera sharpening of the A7R2. So, what we've got here is 4K, 24p, 100 megabits a second. We're using the A7R2 and the Zeiss 35mm 2.8. We're going to start at -7, and that's what you're seeing right now, and I will slowly work it up to +7. Let's begin. So, this is what you would see at -7. What do you think? Now I'm going to change to -6. Here we are at -6. Take it all in. What do you think? Stopping here at -5. -5. -4. -4. Here we are at -3. -3. -2. -2. -1. -1. And here we are at 0. This is an interesting one. Would you prefer it at 0 or -7 if you were going to sharpen in post? Getting to the positives now. +1. +1. +2. +2. +3. +3. +4. +4. +5. +5. +6. The penultimate, +6. And here we are, the final part of the test, and we're at +7. So probably a good idea, rewind to -7, then skip forward to +7, and you'll see the full difference between the two. What do you think? Would you ever use in-camera sharpness? Or is it a definite no-no for you? Let me know in the comments, and as usual guys, it's been emotional.